Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram not sending code on iPhone. So let's begin. First of all, let's go to our notification center and make sure that your do not disturb mode is off. So my do not disturb mode is off, but if your do not disturb is turned on like this, make sure to click on it and turn it off. Afterward, you can just perform a quick airplane toggle. So click on your airplane mode and then click on it again, which will give your network a quick refresh, help your code to reach your iPhone. And then you can go to settings, and after that go to cellular and make sure to turn on roaming. But as you can see, I don't have the roaming option available for my cellular data, so I will skip this part. But if you have the cellular data roaming available, make sure to turn on data roaming. And then we are going to go to app settings. So let's scroll down, go to apps, and from here what we need to do is go to messages. Now here in messages, you can simply go all the way down, and then we have a filter, which is message filtering, which will filter unknown senders. Make sure this option is turned off, because if this is turned on, then your Telegram code can be identified as unknown sender and it might not reach your message. And now let's go and check our messages. So as you can see here in our messages, I only have the edit option right over here. But if your message is already filtered, you can just turn on the filter message here. And then if I go to messages now, I'll be able to see the filter messages. From here, I can see 15 unknown filters. As you can see, these are unknown messages. So make sure that if you're turning a message filter on, then check the unknown senders section. So I'm going to go back here again and turn off this filter unknown senders. And now what we need to do is quickly toggle our iMessage. So I'm going to turn this off and turn this on again so that our iMessage gets a quick refresh, which will help us to get the code without any issues. And now let's go back here and go back to the main settings. So in the main settings, go to VPN, and after that you have to make sure that your VPN is disconnected, because VPN can sometimes disrupt your cellular data, which will not let you get the code for your Telegram. So after that, when everything is checked, you can simply uninstall your Telegram. So I'm going to click on remove app, and now I'm going to reinstall it. So in the App Store, let's search for Telegram and click on install and wait for the installation to complete. Now, if there was any problem from the Telegram app itself, then reinstalling the Telegram application would solve that problem, and you will not have any other problem with your Telegram application not sending you the code. So even after reinstalling Telegram, if you still have the issue, you can simply go to settings again, and then I'm going to go to general, and then all the way bottom you can simply shut down your phone. Select the shutdown option and then shut down your phone and then restart it again. And even if restarting does not solve the problem, you have to go to transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset, and then you have to reset your network settings. Enter your passcode over here and then reset your network setting only. You don't need to reset your whole iPhone. You don't need to lose any of your data. Just reset the network settings, because if there is any problem with the network, then the code is not coming to your iPhone. Then simply network fix will help you fix the problem. So guys, follow all these methods and your Telegram should be sending codes in your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, guys, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.